Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to add the apps to the home screen on your Xumo TV in 2026. So if you want quick access to your favorite applications and you don't want to scroll every single time, then this guide is going to show you exactly how to organize your screen the right way. So first of all, let's just understand how the Xumo TV interface works. So on Xumo TV, you don't install the applications the same way you do on some of the other smart TVs. Most popular applications are already available in the system and you can customize them how they appear on your home screen. So in order to add or move the applications, first of all, you just have to press the home button on your remote in order to open the main screen. Now on your TV, when you see these types of applications in front of you, you just have to basically look for the option of manage application. Now when you click on the option of manage application, it is going to show you the list of all of the apps that are basically available on your TV. So you need to now press and hold the OK button on your remote. When a menu appear in front of you, you will see the option like moving, recording or adding the application to your favorite section. So here, once the application is added to your favorite section, it is going to be basically available on your screen. So you can use the arrow buttons on your remote in order to place the application where you want it on the home screen. Once it is positioned correctly, you just have to click on the option of OK in order to confirm it. So that's it. The application will now appear in your preferred spot for quicker access. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.